It's awesome to think that something we see every day, something as simple as light, is actually so complicated and so important to our lives.
You know what, it really is. And there's still so much more to explore. Are you ready to dive even deeper into the world of light?
You bet I am. We were just talking about how ancient people used stories and myths to understand the sun. Now, we use science and these big, powerful tools called telescopes to learn about the sun and all the other stars out there.
That's right. Today, we have a whole field of science dedicated to studying the stars and the universe. It's called astronomy. And you know what's really cool? Astronomers use light to help them figure out all the secrets of space.
Wait, so how do they use light to study stars? It's not like they can travel to a star and just, take some pieces of it to study, can they?
Of course not. Stars are unbelievably far away, but luckily, light travels across huge distances carrying information about where it came from. It's like starlight is a messenger bringing us secrets from really far away stars right here to Earth.
So it's like each little beam of starlight is a tiny package filled with information about the star it came from.
You could say that. Astronomers use big, powerful telescopes to capture that starlight and then study what it's made of. That tells them a lot about the stars.
What kind of things can they see in starlight? Can they tell what a star is made of just by looking at its light?
That's exactly what they do. Remember how we talked about different colors of light having different wavelengths? Well, by studying the specific colors in starlight, astronomers can actually figure out what a star is made of.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. So it's like starlight has a secret code that tells us about the star itself.
So if a star had a lot of red light in it, would that mean it's made of something different than a star with lots of blue light?
Exactly. You see, each element, like the oxygen we breathe or the iron in your toys, emits a unique pattern of colors when it's heated up. By analyzing the colors in starlight, astronomers can identify which elements are present in the star. It's like figuring out its fingerprint.
So it's like starlight is a giant cosmic fingerprint, and astronomers are like space detectives using those fingerprints to solve the mysteries of the stars.
That's a great way to think about it. And there's even more to it. By measuring how bright a star appears from Earth and knowing how far away it is, astronomers can calculate its actual brightness. That tells us about its size and how much energy it's giving off. Hold on, are you telling me that astronomers can figure out how big and bright a star really is just by studying the light that reaches us here on Earth?
Yes, it's pretty remarkable. It's like being able to tell the size and power of a lighthouse that's far, far away just by looking at how bright its beam is.
Whoa, that's incredible. So light isn't just something that helps us see. It's this powerful tool that lets astronomers explore the universe and learn about all these distant stars.
That's exactly right. And to help them do this, scientists have developed some pretty amazing instruments to study light in even more detail. One of them is called a spectroscope.
A spectroscope, what's that? Does it like make the starlight brighter so they can see it better?
Not quite. A spectroscope takes the light from something like a star and spreads it out into all its individual colors, kind of like creating a spectrum.
Like a rainbow, but but more, I don't know, scientific.
Yeah. Think of it like a superpowered rainbow maker. The spectroscope shows us not only the colors we see with our eyes, but also all the specific wavelengths of light. That gives us much more detailed information about where the light is coming from.
So if you point a spectroscope at a star, you can see what it's made of.
You got it. It's like a fingerprint for the star, showing its unique makeup. By analyzing the lines and patterns in a star's spectrum, astronomers can learn its temperature, how dense it is, and even how it's moving.
That's so cool. It's like a whole other language, but instead of words, it's all about colors and wavelengths. That's a really neat way to study the universe.
It is a language in a way, a language of light that tells us all the hidden secrets of the universe. And understanding this language is the key to unlocking all the mysteries of outer space.
It's like learning a new language, but instead of words and sentences, it's colors and wavelengths.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It is. And speaking of studying the universe, there's one more amazing thing about light that I think you'll really like. It's something that connects the sun and the earth in a spectacular way. Have you ever seen pictures of the aurora borealis or the northern lights?
Oh yeah, I've seen pictures of them in books.